Welcome to Towns in Motion. Today, we'll be exploring Wesson, Mississippi. Welcome to Wesson, Mississippi, a town built on grit, innovation, and Southern spirit, and home to one of the richest untold stories of Mississippi's industrial and educational history. Wesson was founded in 1864, right in the middle of the Civil War, by Colonel James Madison Wesson after his original mills were destroyed. Here, he built the Mississippi Manufacturing Company, producing fine cotton fabric that would become known nationwide. By 1871, the mill had changed hands and became Mississippi Mills, a symbol of industrial progress. Its fabric was so fine, they called it Mississippi silk. 1 year after Thomas Edison perfected the light bulb, the mill lit up Wesson's nights, drawing stares from train passengers who pressed their faces to the glass to see the glowing town. Today, Wesson's identity has evolved from mill town to education hub. Home to Copiah Lincoln Community College, founded in 1928, Wesson now helps shape the minds of thousands of students each year. In 2023, Wesson had a population of around 2,350 residents, with a median age of just 20 years old, thanks largely to the student community. The median household income is about $50,000, and home ownership sits at 60%. Education has long been Wesson's pride. The first public school was built in 1875, and Wesson High School now continues that tradition of academic excellence. Co-Lin serves over 2,000 students with programs that prepare them for careers, universities, and beyond. It's a place of opportunity, ranked among Mississippi's top community colleges. Average commute time is 30.6 minutes. Average cars per household, 2. And the median home value is $111,000. Wesson is a town that remembers its past, but looks forward. From Mississippi silk to academic success stories, from historic mills to modern mines, this town continues to grow with creativity, resilience, and community spirit. From yesterday's mills to tomorrow's mines, Wesson keeps moving forward. Thanks for joining us as we explored Wesson, Mississippi. We'll hope you join us again for more episodes of Towns in Motion. Make sure to subscribe.